Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start freelancing with Fiverr, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining your skills and services. Identify what you can offer as a freelancer. Consider areas such as writing, graphic design, programming, or marketing. Research your niche to understand demand and competition. Next, create a Fiverr account. Visit the Fiverr website and click on Join. Provide the required information, such as your email address, or sign up using social media. Once registered, set up your profile. Upload a professional photo that represents you well. Write a concise bio highlighting your skills and experience. Add relevant keywords to improve your profile's visibility. Next, it's time to create your first gig. Click on Selling and then Gigs in your dashboard. Select Create a new gig to start. Choose a descriptive title for your gig that captures attention. Define the category and subcategory that best fits your service. Then, set your pricing. Decide on a base price, and consider offering packages for more value. Make sure to clearly outline what's included in each package. It's important to craft a compelling gig description. Explain your service in detail, focusing on how. Add FAQs to address common questions and concerns. Upload samples of your previous work to showcase your skills. Visuals can significantly enhance your gig's appeal. Set delivery times carefully. Be realistic about how long it will take to complete the work. Next, optimize your gig for search. Use relevant tags that potential clients may search for. Promote your gig on social media or through other channels. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.